everybody, welcome back to my channel, that is Zufo. Please press the subscribe button and bell icon right next to it. So in today's video we are going to study the next topic, that is after the outbrain devices, one more interesting topic, that is pollen pistil interaction. So the word itself suggests that what we are going to study today, that is the interaction, that is the chemical interaction or the chemical dialogue between the pollen and the pistil. How does it take place? So the interaction of the pollen and pistil here, the pistil. So pistil is the female reproductive part. Okay, this is pistil is the female reproductive part of the flowering plant. And this pollen, we know that pollen pistil, in order to the pollen pistil interaction occurs, before that we say that the pollen pistil interaction starts initially from or through the process called pollination. So through pollination what happens? This pollen pistil interaction takes place. See, look here, have a look. This is the stigma and this is the style and this is the ovary, or where female reproductive part is present, that is ovule. If we see that initially this pollen pistil interaction takes place mandatorily by the pollination process. When the pollen grains comes and sits on the stigma, from here the pollen pistil interaction takes place. However, here if at all the true or the perfect type of pollen grains comes and sits over the stigma, then only the pollen pistil interaction takes place. Or else, if the wrong type of pollen grains comes and sits over the stigma, there will be no successful fertilization, because stigma has its chemical or it has the ability to realize whether it is of the wanted pollen grain or of the right or wrong type of the pollen grain. So pollen pistil interaction starts initially from the pollination, or well, we can say that normally it starts from when the pollen grains comes and sits on the stigma. Hereafter, what happens? The stigma recognizes the right type of pollen grains. Through that, the pollen grains germinates and produces pollen tube. After that, the post-fertilization events occurs. Those are the formation of the pollen tube, where your cell germinates and produces the male content, that are the male gametes. They get fused with the, here will be an ovule, that we all know the structure of an ovule. Here micropylar end will be there. So this male gamete comes and joins to the, or it gets fused to the female reproductive part, that is the egg or the ovule. So this is how initially the pollen pistil interaction takes place from the beginning, when the pollen race comes and sits on the stigma. Through the style what happens? Pollen tube grows. Through that, the generative or the cells generates, and the fusion or the male gametes releases and gets fused with the, that is female reproductive organ